Welcome to my Smart Certification Training video. My name is Kay Woodward and I work for Xerox Audiovisual Solutions in Norcross, Georgia. We're a smart reseller. So why is it helpful for students and teachers to use a smartboard and notebook software? Smartboards help create hands-on lessons. They help students easily access the internet and other resources to encourage inquiry. They engage students in a variety of learning skills, kinesthetic, auditory, and visual. They also help record processes, instructions, and examples for further instruction. And last, they help students and teachers collaborate and share resources. So today we're going to focus on hide and reveal activities as a way to encourage learning in students. So why would teachers want to hide information before talking about it? It helps students focus on one item at a time. It increases student engagement. It increases students' think time. They're more likely to think before jumping ahead with an answer. And last, it's a great way to review and assess understanding before moving on your lessons. So I'm going to show you today a variety of techniques on hide and reveal. The move and reveal, the order and reveal, and the erase and reveal. The first example we're going to look at is called the move and reveal. We have placed a colored rectangle over top of the answer. Where is King Tut's tomb? The student will come up and move the colored rectangle to reveal the right answer. The second one we're going to look at is called the order and reveal. In this case, the answer is there. We have changed it to match the color of the background. When we move the colored rectangle, we actually are putting that colored rectangle in back of the typed answer and an answer shows up. The last one is called the erase and reveal. In this case, we've typed an answer and we've covered it up with a layer of digital ink, in this case white, so it'll match the background. As the students move through the lesson to find out if their answer is correct, they would simply erase the answer and reveal it. How did we do these? The hide and reveal is we typed an answer, we picked a shape and filled it in with color. So where did they find King Tut's tomb? In this case, I'm going to type the answer using our on-screen keyboard. Pyramid. Now I'm going to pick a color, rectangle. I'm going to use our shape selector here, which is the square, and the triangle in the toolbar. A rectangle. From our palette, I'm going to pick a color. In this case, I'm going to make it green. I'm going to do the green rectangle here. Go back to our select tool in the contextual panel, and now I can move this to hide and reveal my answers. The order and reveal. In this case, we're going to send the shape in back of the answer. Again, I'm going to write an answer, and this time I'm going to write it with my pen. I'm going to select this. I'm going to ask Smart to recognize it, and it did. It recognized it as pyramid. Now I'm going to change this answer to match our white background. Again, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to make it white. It's going to disappear. I'm also going to lock it in place so we don't move it around as we're moving our answers. Again, I'm going to choose our Shapes tool from the toolbar, a rectangle. In this case, I'm going to make it red. I'm going to cover up our answer. I'm going to go back to our Select tool. I'm going to marquee select this. I'm going to do order, and I'm going to send it backwards to reveal the answer. The rectangle is actually gone behind the typed answer to reveal the typing. Now our next one is erase and reveal. And this one I chose an ocean scene from our gallery here in the tab. I searched for ocean and then dragged my picture of the shoreline over to my work area. I typed my question in, what year did the Pilgrims land on Plymouth Rock? Always remember to add your prompt so the students know what to do. In this case, it is erase the answer. I've typed my answer here and made it white so it'll show up. Now I'm going to cover this up with a layer of digital ink so the students can't see it. I'm going to go up, select the pen from our toolbar here. I'm going to pick a color, and in this case, I need a very dark blue. I'm going to come over to our dark blue here. And there we go. Now we've got this dark blue in our palette. I can pick it. I'm going to make my stroke very broad using my wet line style tool. I'm going to cover it up here. Now when the students come up to answer the question, they pick up the eraser, what year did the Pilgrims land, and there the answer is revealed. Our last hide and reveal activity is called the balloon reveal. In this case, it's a math problem we're going to do. What x is less than 10? So again, we're going to go up to our shape select tool. I'm going to pick a circle. These are going to be our balloons. I'm going to pick yellow as my first balloon. I'm going to pick green as my second balloon. I'm going to pick blue as my next balloon. And lastly, I will pick orange as my other balloon, or red. Now, I'm going to come over here and pick the pen. I'm going to actually draw the little, make this black, little knot for the balloon. I'm going to come up and choose our line tool to make the string for the balloon. In this case, it would just be a straight line. The last thing I'm going to do is write an answer, our answers. So in this case, 5 is less than 10, 7 is less than 10, 11 is not, and 10.75 is not. Now, I'm going to group all these so they stay together. I don't want them to move independently of each other. So there's my first balloon grouped, my second balloon grouped, my third balloon grouped, and my fourth balloon grouped. Now I need one more thing, a hand to place my balloons in. I'm going to go to my gallery tab and choose a hand. I'm going to rotate it using my rotation button, and I'm going to lock it in place so it doesn't move. The last thing I'm going to do in this activity is animate my wrong answers. I'm going to come back, I'm going to choose my wrong answer. I'm going to go to my Properties tab, and I'm going to choose Object Animation. And in this case, I'm going to have the balloon fly out if it's wrong. I'm going to have the direction be to the top, and I'm going to have it occur when the object is clicked. I'm going to do the same thing for this red balloon. I'm going to pick Object Animation here from my Properties tab. I'm going to have the balloon fly out. I'm going to have it fly to the top, and I'm going to have it do that when the object is clicked. So let's go back to our answers now. X is less than 10. Is 5 less than 10? Yes. Is 7 less than 10? Yes. Is 11 less than 10? No. It's 10.75. No. So that's how you do a balloon reveal, hide and reveal activity. So congratulations. You've reviewed some hide and reveal activities as a way to further students' learning while using a smart notebook. Thank you.